Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw ho sa ating lahat. We have Baliti here from mga kaibigan, galing po sa station natin. And very big shout out kay Tatski, kay Tata Paridi, mga kaibigan, which is siya po yung inutusan natin na kunin natin to here. Dalang-dala natin kahit saan tayo pupunta, nakakita tayo ng mga bagay-bagay dyan na it is from needs to be collected, no? Kakailanganin natin to. It is because we are going to rescue here, no, mga kaibigan, as a bonsai enthusiast, no? I am so very proud on that hobby, mga kaibigan. I'm very proud of my hobby. Just look at that, mga kaibigan. Inanuhan natin ng just tied with cellophane here. It is rescued from the top of the rooftop of our station in Tagum City, mga kaibigan. So here we need to clean first before we defoliate all the leaves of this balete, mga kaibigan. It is a Philippine balete. As you look at that, it's so grown in the top, in the rooftop, mga kaibigan, as you can see. So we need to alaga this, mga kaibigan. Just look at that, mga kaibigan. Ito po yon, no, ang lalaki po niya. So big. In the near future, makikita po natin to, mga kaibigan. So just follow it, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much.